Hey marketers, imagine creating quizzes, calculators, polls, and assessments that perfectly match trending events, so you're always ahead of the curve. Every year, there are events that spark excitement in your audience: sports championships, movie premieres, or award shows. The secret to winning engagement? Planning your interactive content around these events. With Outgrow, you can start from scratch or choose from a variety of ready-made templates for quizzes, calculators, polls, and assessments. Pick the one that fits your goal, customize it, and create engaging interactive content for any event in just minutes. Let's create a quiz related to movies. Each answer can guide users to personalized results or recommendations, boosting engagement and lead capture. Fun plus personalization equals higher conversions. Next, let's create a quiz for sports or fitness. Start by adding a fun welcome page that grabs attention, followed by entertaining and engaging questions to keep users hooked. Once the quiz is complete, set up results with clear calls to action like "contact us" to boost reach and engagement. When everything looks perfect, simply publish your quiz. Outgrow instantly gives you a shareable link that you can post across all your social media platforms to attract and engage more users. Don't wait for events to happen. Plan, create your interactive content in advance with Outgrow. Engage your audience, capture leads, and turn trending events into marketing wins. Create your first event-based quiz today with Outgrow.